So the journey so far so good. It's been great, and we are a distribution company in India, and we have had the most legendary brands and probably the best brands in India and worldwide. So we love what we are doing. We are passionate about what we are doing, and what we see the journey going to. We want to be the largest company bringing out the best products to the industry, offering the best solutions to the customers, and because we are into an experience delivering products and systems, we want to deliver at least the best experience to the concert market, to the install market, and the other audio video lighting market, what we the country caters and the industry caters. So it's the next few years, the something we are working on the products and the projects is going to be really interesting, and I'm sure it is going to make a good impact, and people will remember high tech for good.
So, what do you think, being a distribution powerhouse, are the challenges you face today? Is it something to do with product knowledge, or is it something to do with channel support, or is it market education?
I think my opinion in this is that whenever we are doing great business, then great business always comes with a lot of challenges. Life is again full of challenges. But when you talk about as high-tech audio and image, I've been serving this position in high-tech audio and image when it started off. We have been the largest distribution companies in India, distributing a lot of audio, video and lighting brands pan-India. Networking is always the biggest challenge in India. How I have overcome the relationship, probably the networking has always been taken up by a relationship. I have always believed that you need to have that kind of bond with your customers wherein they should feel that it is a win-win situation for everybody. Business is not about only selling products, it's about creating knowledge also about the product, and customers should feel comfortable and they should feel proud when they are using our products what we are distributing.